Alright guys, welcome back to my channel today. We have a camera and two Keychain lights with a strong magnet on it. Thanks to NoTech for sending these products out to me. Security with a focus on the Weseccu 4MP HD wireless security camera. Get ready to be amazed by its ultra-clear live streaming capabilities and its groundbreaking color night vision feature. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the rechargeable cob work light. This versatile light features chip-on-board technology, providing a powerful and even illumination. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. It's an essential tool for all your DIY project or late-night repairs. Now, let's talk about a light that offers more than just illumination. This Keychain light comes with a unique feature, a retractable Keychain bar opener. It's the perfect two-in-one tool for those who love convenience and practicality. Clip it onto your keys and you'll always have a light ready. Are you an avid runner? We've got just the thing for you. Introducing the pocket magnet light designed specifically for night running. With its compact size and strong magnet, you can easily attach it to your clothing or accessories. The ultra-bright beam will keep you visible and safe during your clothing or accessories. The ultra-bright beam will keep you visible and safe during your evening jogs. Meet the Weseccu 4MP HD wireless security camera, your ultimate choice for uncompromising home security. With its impressive 4-megapixel high-definition resolution, this camera doesn't just capture images, it captures every detail, leaving no room for ambiguity. Whether it's monitoring your property, keeping an eye on your loved ones, or safeguarding your belongings, this camera has got you covered. Say goodbye to pixelated and blurry footage. The Weseccu 4MP HD camera brings you live streaming in stunning clarity. Whether you're accessing the feed from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, you'll be greeted with vivid and sharp images that make you feel like you're right there on the scene. This camera's advanced technology ensures that you never miss a moment. This is my first solar panel product, and I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. Last but not least, let's talk about the ultimate companion for camping and fishing enthusiasts. This multifunctional light is water resistant and packed with features. It serves as a reliable lantern to light up your campsite and a fishing light to attract those elusive catches underwater. Okay, now let's get on with setting up the camera. So we had to attach this one piece underneath the bracket so we could mount it on the roof. The piece we added was a leftover scrap of piece of wood that we just used. Cutting this piece of Velcro that replacing underneath the wood and on top of the roof. This is so much better than drilling into your roof. That's made out of clay that might crack the roof panel. Okay, now time to mount the camera. Make sure you guys use the guide that comes with the camera to pre-drill your holes. after getting your bracket mounted. Now you just screw on the camera to the bracket and adjust by looking in your phone or tablet. For a wireless camera. This camera quality is not so bad, better than I thought. There you have it, folks. The Weseccu 4MP HD wireless security camera is a game changer in the world of home security. Its ultra-clear live streaming and groundbreaking color night vision features set new standards for what a security camera can.